You may be a therapist and you're wondering, how could I benefit from Enlight if I'm referring people to this website for this sort of boost? And that's the way I would look at it. It's something that boosts your effectiveness. And typically people need oriented, like I've said before, and they need to understand why they're doing this and what it's going to do to change them. They need insight to their problem, in other words, before the treatment is appropriate. It's more effective once they've reached that point. But what I found personally is that my practice has grown because of energy psychology applications. At first, when I learned thought field therapy, I did have some concern that I was going to clean out my caseload or something. Well, that never happened. It was very powerful and very effective, but what it did was it augmented what I was doing. Those people went out and told other people about what I was doing and how much benefit they got from my application, my therapy, combined with the energy psychology treatment of thought field therapy at the time. As I developed Enlight, it only happened even more so. So instead of reducing my caseload, it was increasing. And my business has expanded quite a bit over the years because of this. So I wouldn't be fearful of sending people to get Enlight. It's only going to add to your effectiveness, like maybe going to a good seminar or sending people to a psychiatrist and getting medication, which is something that helps you be more effective. Enlight is a similar kind of thing, except it's not a pill. And you'll run into people that don't want to take a pill, so this is a nice alternative to that. So you have that option to offer them and to suggest to them. You know, just tell them, look on the website, enlight.com. And also, an important point is use it yourself. I feel that a large reason why I've been more successful with my career is because I've treated myself. I used to be more shy about confronting clients who were angry, or I thought they would be angry or even hurt by what I had to say to them. So I would hesitate. I would have to build up a lot of nerve to confront them. But after treating myself, I find those situations to be much more available. It's easier, it's less draining, and therefore I'm more effective. So I think Enlight for yourself is also a good idea to help you in all the ways that can help, but particularly for helping you to be a more effective therapist. So give it a try.